Good day everyone, welcome back to Knowledge is Dope, and today we're taking a look at another product from Fanttik. I love Fanttik products. As you can see, I have done the Fanttik vacuum. I even have the Fanttik tire inflator. But today we're taking a look at, this is called the Fanttik C8 Nano. This is a portable electronic scissor that makes your life a little bit easier with respect to cutting paper, cutting cardboards. I have a lot of packages come to me, and sometimes it gets a little bit exhausting having to rip these items apart by hand or with a scissor. So I decided to get me an electronic scissor. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside. First off, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy knife, plug this out. So real quickly, there's a couple specs on this item. Your load speed is 230 RPM. Your battery is a 2.0. Your charging capability is 5 watts to 2 amps. The cutting depth is 6.5 millimeters, and the net weight of this is 470 grams. As you can see, it does come in this nice packaging. All the Fanttik packaging is this nice black and yellow packaging. Opening this up like this. Let me see what else I'm gonna do here. Alright. This is inside of the box right here. You have your user's manual. I highly ever read these. Sometimes it's good to read these. Another one of the Fanttik carrying bags. I do love these. They come in this nice soft material. I have tons of these all over the place. Good to have that. They give you a couple more blades. So this is the blade that does the cutting, I believe. It's not a circular blade, but it's more of like a squarish in shape kind of blade. So as you can see, these are the blade edges right here. So it's good to have extra blades. What else you have in here? You have your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So it does recharge via USB-C. So you have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. What else you have in here? You have, I think this is like the back end blade almost. So like this is what the cutting blade runs against in order to cut. Let me try and get this out. This is what this looks like, I believe. I could double check that. And then you have it right here. This is your electronic or your electrical scissor. Your safety is right here, I believe, right? But actually the safety is on the side, so you have to press this button on the side right here. So once you press that, and then you press to get your blades moving. Your speed and all of your information is on the back side. So this shows you just how much charge it has, and your speeds are right here. So you have 1, which is low speed. You have 2, so you just have to simply turn and twist to get to 2. A little faster, and you twist one more time, and now you have the maximum speed possible. You also have a light right here, so you can see what exactly you're cutting. And as you can see, it's a pretty sizable device, but it's not too big, not too small. Your USB-C charging port is right over here. And as I said, what's great about this, it gives you clear information with respect to just how much charge you have on the backside. So you could see in the low speed it says eco. When you turn the speed up, it says regular speed in blue. When you turn it up one more, it says max speed on the back right here. So very easy to use, clear information. I like the fact that the safety button is right here. So you simply have to press the safety button and then you press the trigger to get it operating. I may have been wrong with respect to what this is. I believe that this is actually the tool to change the blade. So you could use this tool right here to fasten and change the blade if you want. When you're done with the device, all right, you simply take it and you put it inside of your nice carrying case, simply and easily, just like that. And you pull this together, just like that. And now it's perfect and ready for you for the next time. So very easy to store away with a nice little carrying case. Let me show you how easy it is to cut. So right now I have it in a high speed, so I'm going to go to low speed, which is the eco speed. I'm going to try to cut the last page of the manual. So smooth, perfect cut, nice and very easy to cut. Now let's try something a little bit harder. I'm going to try to cut the edge of this cardboard box right here. This is also in the eco mode. As you see, very easy to operate, nice clean cut, quick and easy. And now let me go up to the high speed. So for example, as I said, just turn the speed up to the faster speed right here. And now let me try to cut the box now. Wow, that was quick. Coming on in this direction here, simple and easy, just like that. This is actually pretty quick. So yeah, this is just a perfect device if you get a lot of packaging. If you have to do a lot of box cutting, I highly recommend the Fanttik C8 Nano Micro Scissors, which is a USB-C rechargeable device with multiple speeds and a great safety feature, making it easy to use. I would highly recommend this. In my next video, I'm probably going to go through some of my other products that I have from Fanttik, so you can see all of the great products that I have from Fanttik and why Fanttik is one of my go-to like device manufacturers. So until next time, I gotta admit, this is pretty dope, pretty dope.